address the challenges of putting our processes into practice, I would say in our industry it's severalfold, but one of them, there's such a focus in our industry on really understanding and being proficient in the technologies. And one of the challenges is really achieving that balance between not just technology, but also people, process, and technology. So when I say, people, it's investing in training, communication skills, teamwork, and also the process side, actually having the practices documented so that they can be followed by other new hires, so that they can be improved continuously, so that they can be repeatable and refined and made even more efficient. And so achieving that balance, not just on technology, but on that whole triad, I think is very, very important. It's very important to set goals and to objectively understand their goals and their performance against those goals. And so by that, what I mean is actually objectively being able to use data to understand their capability and to communicate that and act on that capability. And so we all believe, or we want to believe, what we're capable of doing, how efficient we can be, what quality levels we can achieve, what productivity levels we can achieve, what schedule we can achieve, how inexpensively we can quote something to a customer, for example. And it's very important to have that data to really do a self-check to objectively assess, okay, can I really achieve that?